Hello everyone. Today I am here with a new project is adult data analyst with census income. So there is some libraries, pandas, matplotlib, seaborn and plottery.express as px is the object. So plottery express is a it is used for the high level visualization, and also it allowed to create a interactive plot with very little code. So that's why we are using the plottery dot express visualization. We run. Now it working. Second is a import warning. Is a use for the warning. If you get any warning, sometime you run any program that it give you warning, so it protect with warning. So that's why we use the import warning dot filter warning, where I pass the ignore, means it ignore all these warning. It also working. This is the data set df period csv, where I pass the adult.csv. This is the data set name, which you can download the kaggle, and there we give the df.head. It show you 5 rows and column. Next is shape. It show how many rows and columns are there. So there is 48842 rows and 50 columns. Now the data types is integer, object. All these columns is tell about the data set. These are the work classes, object type, FNLWET. This is the integer type. Education also object, and educational number is integer. All these give the data set. So data types. Next we see that there is any null values. So df dot is null, and it also count the, if there is any null value, so it give the total number of null values. If there is no any null value, that's why it show you the all 000. Now want to see the unique number of unique value. How many number of unique value are there? So age has 74 unique, work class is 9, and the FNWGT has lot of unique values. Then education number, marital status, all these are the unique value. Now I want to count the work class values. Is a work class is the column name, and I want to count this value, how much the work class. It is a private or government sector, semi government sector. So it give the all, count the value private. In private company the people are 3396, self employed not in is there is, so 3862 give the local. Now there is a question mark also, big question mark. It means that they do not know that it is come for the private or self or any state government. That's why it give the question mark. Next I want to change this question mark, replace the question mark into private. So df, where I pass the column name, is equal to df, then again column name dot replace, which I want to replace. This is the question mark. This is the question mark. I want to replace the question mark into private. Now we see it's working. Now I will show you. So you can see there is no any question mark, it replaces into private. That time private value is 33906. Now private value is 36705. It replace and also merge the value in private. Next, same is a df dot native country dot value count. So native country, there is how much there are native countries, so it count the value. This is the column name. United States have lot of 43832. Mexico had 959, and question mark same. There is Philippines, Germany. All these have unique value. All these country has these number of unique values. Same thing is, I want to the question mark change into question mark into United States. So DF native country. Again I pass the same column name dot replace. Which country I want to replace is the first we give the column value name is a question mark and change it to column name is the United States. Now you can see that it is working. Now I show you the values. That time is a United have 43832. Now 43 it has 44689. So it merge the value and also replace it to United States. Next, I want to is see the marital status. How many unmarried, married, or divorcee. So this is a DF where I pass the column name dot value underscore count. So married is spouse is 22379, never married, divorce, separation. It give count the values. How much person are there in married person, never married person, and divorced, separated. Same is gender, count the gender. So male are there 3265 and female is 16192. This is the also column name. Next we come to the feature engineering. Is feature engineering where I is used for the categorical data. Uh, Means I like all these df dot education. Education is the column name is equal to df dot. Same I replace the pre column value. These are the its all value come into education column. Preschool, first to fourth, 7 to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, all are replaced by left. So you can see that in education, I will see you education, there is the all these are the value which I want to replace in. You can also see the data set. There is lot of first, second. Okay. There is the 10th, 5 to 6, 11, the 7 to 8. All these value I want to change into the left. So you can see that in education it convert into left, left, left. Okay. Next is the same associate VOC, associate academy, professor school. All these replace is column name. Same is the column name. df dot column is equal to df dot column dot replace. These all are the column values which is replaced by the higher, and I give the df dot head where I pass the 10. It shows the 10 value. So first I convert it, replace into the left. Now you can see that higher it can change. It change all value, higher, left. All these are value change. Same thing is a education column. df dot in again df dot education, and now want to replace where I pass the bachelor to which bachelor degree replace into undergraduate. It's working. Same thing is I have convert the df dot education column name, then df dot education dot replace master degree into grade. Next, same thing is df dot column name, then df dot column name dot replace doctorate degree replaced by doc. Yeah. Now it's also working. It's also working. Now I want to see the all output. You can see the education left, higher left, give the 20 values. You can see the undergraduate, then higher, doctorate change into doc. All are changes. This is the doc. Undergraduate, which is changed the undergrad, and next is undergrad. All these are change, value is change. Next same thing is uh, there is a column marital status is a column name is equal to df dot marital status, where I want to replace this value into married dot spouse and married af dot spouse. It replace this value into married. So married status, you can see that married. It changed the all two's value, column value into married. This is the married. This is the all these are married. Next is the same column name marital status and df dot marital status dot replace where I have taken divorce separate. This is the column value, widow, married spouse, absent, which is replaced by the not married, and df dot head where I pass the 30. So to show you 30 rows. Marital status, not married. Is never married, never married. Mm, you can see that not married. It convert the not married. not married, all these are not married, converted, not married, widow, all these column values are converted into not married. Next is I want to where uh, I am using the income then df dot income dot replace the income is less than 50k present represent replaced by 0. Df dot head is 25. Now this you can see that income 0 0 which is less than 50, it's give the 0 0 0 0 because it is less than 50. Next which is greater than 50, then income column name same is column name, and this is the column values, it is replaced by 1. Now you can see that income is 0 0 1, it replaces the higher than 50 is 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0. Now used for the visualization histogram, I am using the histogram where figure size I have given the 10 10, layout 3 3, and share rex is equal to first. So you can see the all visualization is, these are the age values 20 60 is higher level, then same thing is this column name, there is also 0 0.5 and educational, so 10 10 level is very high to other education. Same thing is capital gain, there is no any so much capital gain. Capital loss is also same, house per week it should is between 25 to 50, but means 30 to 45 has higher per week, hour per week, and income is this one the income. Next I want to drop the income column where I will x, I have take variable x where I pass the data set variable name dot drop, which column I want to drop is the income, axis is equal to 1. Okay, then is equal to df, I pass the income. So first I show you, so you can see there is drop the income column, capital gain is the last column is income, so there is a 14 column there, but there is the 15 column there, it remove the column. Next is feature scaling where I from sklearn preprocessing and import the standard scalar and labor encoder. So standard scalar where we use the data feature to have mean value is 0, and standard deviation is 1, or level encoder we know that it convert the categorical variable into numeric by using, we use the sklearn, it's working. Now I want to create new data set, so I have take the df1 is a new variable name where I pass the my first data set name, variable name is df dot copy, it copy the all variable it's working. Now next I want to see that df1 is equal to because df1 is new dataset name and dot apply function where I'm using the label encoder dot fit transfer and df dot head. It show you 10 rows. It label encoder, I told you that it convert the categorical data into numeric. So all columns which are the categorical, it convert into numeric. So you can see that it convert the all values is work class, all these education, it convert all value into the numeric values. So that's it. Hope you like it. Please subscribe the channel and share it.